Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see someone's location on iPhone. So in order to go and check or find someone's location on your iPhone, that I will first need to have gone and shared it with you. So if you think they have gone and shared it with you or you are not sure, then I will show you how you can go and view it. And also at the end of the video, I will show you how you can go and show your own location or guide somebody else on how they can share their location with you. So the first thing you need to do is you need to view or see someone's location is open up the Find My app. So this should be already on your iPhone unless you have gone and deleted it, and it should be on the second page and it looks something like this. Just go and open it up. If you think you're going to delete it, then go to the App Store, and what you can do is click on search in the bottom right and type in Find My and go and open it up. Once you're in the Find My app, what you then need to do is go to the bottom right and go and check on people like so in the navigation bar, and this will show you all the people who's going to share their location with you, and you will see them all across the so only one person's going to share their location with me, so I can go and see exactly where they are, which is really useful. And that's it guys. And so then if you want to go and share your own location or guide somebody else with how they can go and share their location with you, what you can do is in the Find My app, so go to the people page like I already am, and then to the right of the people there is a plus button. Click on it, that plus button like this, and then as you can see, you then get a few options. You've got to share my location, add AirTag, or add other item. You just need to click on share my location, and then what you can do is choose somebody you want to go and share a location with, and there we go, the location is now being shared, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.